Hello everyone, we're going to talk about the Lasswell'S communication model and also known as action model, linear model, and one-way communication model. Lasswell'S communication model, it is one of the most influential communication models, and it was developed by a communication theorist named Harold D. Lasswell in 1948. Components of Lasswell'S communication model. First is who, the sender, says what, or the message, channel or medium, and to whom is the receiver, and with what effect is the feedback. So the 5 components of the Lasswell'S communication model are the questions to be asked to get the answer and keep communication going. So the meaning of who, it is the communicator or the source of the message. So the analysis of who, it is the control analysis. Second is says what, it is the content of the message. So the analysis is content analysis. Then the channel is the media. Then the analysis of the channel is the media analysis. Then to whom is the audience, and it is the audience analysis. And with what effect, it is the feedback of the receiver to the sender. And it is the effect analysis. The explanation of different components of Lasswell'S model. First is the control analysis. Helps the sender to have all the power. Then the second is control analysis. It is associated to stereotyping and representation of different groups politically or the ulterior motives of the message. The third is the media analysis. It is represent which medium should be used to exercise maximum power against the receiver. Then the fourth is the audience analysis. It is shows who are the target population to be manipulated or brainwashed. And last is the effect analysis. It is done before the process starts, and it is used to predict the effect of the message over the populations or over the target populations to be exploited. Lasswell'S model was developed to study the media propaganda of countries and businesses at that time. So only rich people used to have communication mediums such as televisions and radios back then. So it was made to show the mass media culture. So according to Lasswell'S, there are 3 functions of communication, or there are 3 functions for communications. First is the surveillance of the environment. The second is the correlation of components of society. And third is the cultural transmission between generations. So the advantage of Lasswell'S communication model, it is easy and simple, and it suits for almost types of communications. Then the concept of effect.
Example: CNN News, a water leak of Japan tsunami crippled nuclear power station resulted in about 100 times the permitted level of radioactive material falling into the sea. Operator Tokyo Electric Power Co. said on Saturday. Who, operator, what, radioactive material falling into the sea, channel, CNN News, television medium, whom, public, effect, alert the people of Japan from the radiations. Disadvantage: without feedback, a communication process cannot be fruitful. Lasswell's model is very linear and does not consider barriers in the communication process. The model is also criticized for being very general and only including traditional topics.